Hi everybody, it's Tina and I am here with day 19 of my own Advent calendar. Let's see what the kids put in the envelope this time. Oh, snowflakes. Goody goodies. Day 19. Coming down only, what, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6 days left. We have a tag. Oh, these are iridescent stickers. And this is supposed to say joyful. These little sticks for cupcakes. I don't think I'll be using them. Oh, we got some more gnomes. We got a Santa with goofy eyeballs. He looks freaky. And some more buttons. And a little clothespin. Put this in the bag. A little present. A little holly. Alright. So, I want to save some of these for next year. I've used these a couple times now, so let's save them. Santa's freaky. His eyes look like underneath. They're just googly eyes. So, let's use that googly eye Santa. Googly eye Santa. Let's. Googly eye Santa. Santa Claus is coming to town. Pretty soon he will be.
Mine did.
I know. Diamond's here, by the way, if you can hear her. She's over there doing her homework while I'm doing videos. She's hanging out for a while instead of going home. Staying in Green Bay. Alright. There we go.
Come on.
Googly eye Santa. Let's see.
Sesame. Sesame, right? Sesame Street.
Alright, guys, this is day 19 of my Advent calendar. I like how I did this one, even with the googly freaky Santa. So thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas, and bye for now. See you on day 20.